looking for something in particular on YouTube. You recently discovered a channel that you like. You want to see certain kind of videos only in certain channel. You do not want to watch everything in the channel. You recently subscribed to a channel. You are seeking to learn or enjoy certain kind of videos. Then this video is for you. If you wait till the end, I will show certain techniques that are possible in YouTube, available for everybody, but you may not be knowing. These are simple facilities that are provided by YouTube, but it is possible that many people are not aware of it, and therefore they end up watching several videos while they may like to watch only some of them. So I will show these features in YouTube using my channel as an example, but this will be applicable to any channel, any kind of videos that you could be interested in. So watch till the end. And halfway through, if you think that this is something you already know, then obviously you can stop watching the video and move on. Go to the YouTube application. Click on the magnifying glass, which is on the top right. Once you are in this position, start typing the name of the channel that you like, give a space, and the kind of videos you could be interested in. For example, you may like to see some recipes which are based on beets in my channel. Then you will type in Malik Crawford space beet, and you will start seeing the videos that are available in my channel listed one below the other. Similarly, let's say you are interested in watching YouTube videos on smoothies in my channel. Then you will type Malik Crawford space smoothies. Then you will see all the videos that are in my channel with this description, smoothies. You will also see some other videos in my channel listed after the smoothies are exhausted. So this way you can search for particular videos in a particular channel. Let's say you are a regular watcher in my channel. I post several videos on healthy recipes, which are usually without heating and high nutrition to improve the immunity of people. And right now I have, let's say, 50 plus videos, and you know that you have watched a certain video, you want to know where it is now. So you just start typing the channel name followed by a space and any keywords from the description that you may recollect. And then there are several YouTubers who create playlists. I also do that. So playlists are something that are groups of videos belonging to a certain category. In my channel, which is focusing on raw foods, recipes, healthy eating, healthy talks, what I did was I created certain playlists. To be able to see all the videos in that particular group, what you need to do is click on the channel name. If you are already in the channel, then go to the tab called Playlists. Now in the playlist, in my channel for example, in the playlist, you will find playlist called as breakfast, dinners, juices, blenders, dehydrators, and so on. Now all my videos typically fall into more than one category, excepting perhaps the health talks. So for example, if I make a juice which I think is suitable to be taken as a dinner item, then this will appear both under the category of juicer and under the category of dinner. My playlists are typically categorized by equipment and by the time, the type of food that it is. So if you are looking for foods that are of snack types, then you go to the playlist called as snacks. If you are interested in looking for videos which are as breakfast items, then click on the breakfast playlist. If you are looking for those recipes which are all made with a zero appliance equipment, then go to the playlist called Zero Appliance Equipment. Likewise, you will be able to see all the videos that are listed in a particular category. For example, in this category that you are seeing now, which is the zero appliance recipe, that's the playlist. In this, you will have all the videos which do not require any kind of equipment. It doesn't matter whether it is for breakfast or dinner. So raw mango chaat, raw mango cuts, and then mustard mango cuts, beetroot laddu, then amla dressing, and so on. So I have put together all these recipes under the playlist of Zero Appliance Recipe. Similarly, you will see these videos under the category of food processors. Let's say you do not have a high-speed blender at home, you have a food processor, and those are the ones you are interested in using now. Then you have all these videos under the food processor. And then this category called kid-friendly foods. So if you are interested in making something for your kids, then all these videos are applicable to you. Anything of your interest, you can go and watch. So this is how the playlists are created, and you will be able to watch the videos of your interest. There have been many times several people have approached me that they do not have a high-speed blender, or someone says that she does not have a food processor at home, or someone says that I am not converting myself into a raw food complete diet, but I want to take my dinners based on raw food diet. How do I look for videos of interest to me that are useful to me? And this is what you do. You basically go to the playlist and look for the equipment that you are interested in and watch the videos within that. Simple as that. So this is how I think YouTube will be useful to you. Whether you are watching my channel or any other channel, make use of watching the playlists. Thank you for watching so far. If you have enjoyed watching this video so far, please click on the like button. It is not to please me alone, but because the way YouTube works, if there is more activity on a video by means of either likes or any kind of comments on the video, then YouTube will show this video to others. Otherwise, even when people are searching for some videos, my videos may not be listed in available results for them. So please click on like, comment if you have any questions. I will certainly try to answer them. Thank you. Have a nice day or evening.